Hello, Baduk players. Welcome to my cafe. 안녕하세요. 어서 오세요. Did you study the L shape until chapter 3? If yes, good job. This is a chapter 4, L shape plus 1 group plus 1 honey, punishing mistakes. So in this set of problems, Black missed the correct placement. Do you remember? So, how can we punish Black's moves? It happens very often in our game, so we have to know how to punish them. Alright, solve these problems starting from 1 to 4. Number 1, white to play. How can you save this group? That means Black's throw in T16 was mistake. How can we save? Yes, here. And now that's the vital point, but now we have to answer correctly. That is here. Because Black cannot connect. You see? But if you play just like that, Black can kill easily. So that's actually simple. You can just play there. This group is alive. But usually we play like this. But this is the vital point and Black can kill with band 4 in the corner. And how about this move? I know you want to play here, but that's wrong. It's your dream, I think, but white wouldn't play there. White would play there. If you extend, white make one eye, you cannot connect here anymore. So what should we do? Yes, make on here the band 4 shape. Okay, number 2. I think that's our most typical mistake. B18. We want to kill with this move, but it doesn't work. Actually, if white plays there, that's dead. You're right. Maybe you plan to kill like that. But there is a good move for white to make a call is here. There are 2 possibilities, A or B. What do you prefer? I know you want to play B because you want to kill this group without ko. But it's not ko. It's seki because of this. If you cut, white has 2 liberties outside, so white can kill the 4 stones. Or if black take liberties, then there is a seki. So you think, oh, I can throw in first. If white capture, you want to play there? No. White can play there and you cannot connect. So actually B is wrong. White B19 is correct move, but for black, A is better. And there are also 2 possibilities, always 2 possibilities. So which one do you prefer? It's hard. There is a ko, but which ko? So for example, A is the correct move, remember? Then black needs to capture and then Atari. You cannot connect, it's alive. So you should make a ko with this one. But it's not direct ko, right? It's one move approach ko. So you need to play somewhere cross red, and if black capture, white makes cross red, and then you can ignore and make a direct ko. We say one move approach ko. So there is a ko, but not the best way. But if you play not A, if you play here B, then black capture and Atari block, and there is a direct coup. So for white, A is better than B. A is one move approach coup, B is direct coup. Okay, one more time here and then here. If white makes a coast threat, you can just capture, and if white plays there, you can play there and this. So it's shortage of liberty. You cannot play there. It looks hard, I know, but if you know the right answer, that's not hard. So B18, not 2-2, is not correct. If you see this move, I can make a ko like this. Yeah, and if black plays there, you cut an Atari, and it's one move approach ko. Okay, number 3. That's even more difficult. Not really, similar. Black plays there. What can you do? You can think about first this move, I guess. Yeah, which is correct. Of course, you can think about this move, but that's correct. We will see. Then, I think this move is the continuation, then honey, and throwing. So this shape looks here cool, but it doesn't, because there is this kind of Atari and black capture and white capture and capture again. Oh, so complicated. And then what's this? It's a double ko. So it's alive. It's alive. Double ko is alive. So if you just block, this group is alive. Maybe you worry about something, then it's seki. Usually black play there, then you can just play honey, throwing, and Atari is important. You got it? Then how about this move? It's possible, but it's a ko, like this. Ko. Yeah. Then you say, Youngsun, I can also play and here and this one, but that's direct ko. It's not alive. So double ko, direct ko, that's the difference. In this case, you can just block and honey, finish. So C1 doesn't work. How about here, Q1? One of subscriber asked me about this. Oh, Youngsun, this move works too. He is right. There are two possibilities to kill this group. And one of move is this honey. Why should answer? Then he said, I can play there here, the biter point, and then throwing. That's correct. But you can see black needs to this A. Otherwise, white can escape. This move work, honey, if you have stone near N2 or the lower side. That's correct. One more time, like this. Finished. Or if white plays there, you can play the biter point and kill like that. So, let's check the shape. In the chapter 3, we learned this move. Do you remember? Like this, and throwing, and like that. That's wonderful. But you notice that there is another way to kill like this, and this, and this. So there are two ways to kill this group. But the number 1, 2, 3 doesn't work. Either just alive or ko. You got it? So please study hard this shape because it's not easy. I recommend you study this shape at least 100 times. Then you can master this shape. Thank you for watching this and see you next chapter. 안녕!